Hello dear student, welcome back to your own YouTube channel The Learning Adda. So in the previous class we have started with the poem Amanda written by Robin Klein. I have given you the gist of the poem. What is the poem all about? What is the title Amanda and what is the poem related to? So as I have told you that the poem revolves around a girl, a teenage girl whose name is Amanda, and the chapter talks about parents' point of view, how keeping on eye on your children and finding fault on your children, in your children, and then keep on taunting and keep on you can say poking your children leads to what? The question and the chapter says to that only, leads to what? Now today we'll deal with justification. Second, theme, and third, message. Okay, so is the title justified or not? Amanda. Okay, the story talks about a girl whose name is Amanda, a teenage girl. The story revolves around her character and her state of mind, what she thinks, what she does, what she keep on doing. So the story revolves around her character only, and so the title is Amanda. So the story and the title is justified. Now coming to the theme, as I told you in the previous class that basically the theme is that pointing out an important factor that how a child should be brought up. The poem talks about upbringing of a child, how parents should upbring their child, or how what parents should do to bring in the betterment of or do a betterment for their kids. So the story talks about important factor that children should pay attention while growing up. What should they should do, what they should not do, on what important factors they should focus on. So the theme of the story, the theme of the poem is that the poet focuses on upbringing of children, and basically theme is that children should also should be motivated and should focus on how they are upgrowing, how they are taking themselves towards the path of progress. Now here you can say that Amanda's mother, not only mother, parents as well as teachers keep on nagging her, keep on poking her, keep on, you can say, saying every time, what are you doing this, why are you doing this, how you are sitting. So they keep on poking. So the theme revolves around that, giving freedom to children, and meanwhile children should also focus on their perspective, that how they are growing. Okay, now the message. The poet says that in bringing up a child, that is a very difficult job for the parents. It is a very tough job, as well as an emotional connection, you can say that. That is why the poet says that he just want to convey the message that children, while in a growing up age, they should be motivated, they should be felicitated with love, okay, with care, with concern. Continuously nagging and you can say poking and taunting and fault finding behavior can lead to you can say distracted area or in the kids, in the teenagers. So parents should focus that while doing this, while upbringing their kids, they should not sludge the, you can say, the freedom from their kids. So the writer talks about the freedom. Once kids are, into the path of maturity level, into the path of teenage age, their freedom is somewhere snatched from them. So the writer is indirectly trying to convey a message that don't snatch the freedom from these kids, from these teenagers. Let them live their life, but he's also giving a message to the teenagers, to the upgrowing students, or you can say children, that you'll get that freedom to grow yourself, to do whatever you want to do, but do it in a betterment way. Okay, do in a better way. Don't take that freedom in a wrong manner. Do it and live your life in a very healthy manner, in a progressive manner. So message is that not to snatch the freedom from these teenagers. Okay, so that's it for today's video. We'll continue with this chapter Amanda in the next video. I'll tell you the explanation part of this poem. Thank you.